Hello guys, I'm going to cook chicken garlic butter glaze. We're going to marinate the chicken guys. So 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, any kind of soy sauce. And then 2 tablespoons of chicken powder and 3 cloves of fresh garlic and 1 part of onion, 1/2 can of SPRITE, 1 tablespoon of black pepper. And then you have to mix it well. So the flavor is 2 tablespoons of fish sauce or patis. And you have to mix it. And 2 eggs. And 1/4 cup of flour while marinated. Marinate the chicken. 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Marinate 2 hours or 1 hour or whole night guys, and then set aside and put inside the refrigerator. So now we have to put 1 cup of cornstarch and 1 cup of flour, or you have to estimate it's whatever that you can add black pepper and 1/2 tablespoon of salt and 1/2 tablespoon of baking powder, and add oil, and we need to deep fry the chicken. Now we get the chicken, our marinated chicken, inside the refrigerator, which I marinate. Now we're gonna cook that, put the flour and cornstarch, make it well. You have to cook that very well so it's not gonna be round in your chicken. So while we're make hot, and then you have to add the chicken on the hot oil, any kind of oil or vegetable oil, palm oil. Make sure you have to put the temperature first, the oil, the oven, while you're frying, and then you have to turn the oven with medium temperature when your oil is hot. And you have to stir it, make sure stir it so the brown is even. You have to cook that very well, make sure turn like brown. But guys, the chicken, I need a crispy one because my husband wants crispy. So after that, like if it turn like liver brown, I set aside and let drain the oil. And then I did double fried guys, so make sure the chicken is cooked and very crispy. So we put that thing in the screen to get drained the oil, and then we put the second batch the chicken. So we process that the same way, and then after that turn brown. We have to set aside and drain the oil, and then after that we have to double fry. So our chicken is very crispy and cooked. So we set aside the chicken. This kind of chicken guys is very yummy, and my husband loves this, and all my kids. This is my specialty. So while we're frying our chicken, double fried, so we need to make hot the low temperature. We have to put like 2 tablespoons or 3 tablespoons of butter, any kind of butter or margarine. Now that our chicken is ready, so we set aside and drain the oil. So I chopped the garlic, the first garlic, like 3 or 4, 5 cloves of garlic chopped, fresh. And then we have to stir fry the garlic that turn brown. Now we need to set aside the garlic because it's ready. Then add again the butter, like 2 or 3 tablespoons of butter. It's up to you guys because we need to put that with the low temperature, and 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise is okay. So you have to add the fried chicken on your butter and mayonnaise with low temperature, and you have to make it well, making sure the butter and mayonnaise to stick on your chicken, the cold buttered chicken. And then we need to add our toasted garlic, which we toasted, and then you have to make it well. So now guys, our chicken is ready to serve. So now to those who are hungry, and then to those, if you like my video, please subscribe, likes, and share, and please leave comment. And thank you very much to appreciate and to visiting my channel. And please don't forget to subscribe. Asian Cooking with MG. So thank you very much. Take care and God bless.